Welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the problem when Adobe PDF does not open. So for example, if I open this PDF file, it does not open. So the window comes up and then it closes right away. So what I want you to do now is I want you to open where you have installed your Adobe PDF. So for example, I have mine installed in this PC. So go to C, Program Files 86, then Adobe, then Acrobat Reader DC, then go to Reader, and right here you should see all of the files. Alright, so these are the files that I have, and now I'm going to look for the EULA, so EULA. So I'm going to press E, and it's right here, so EULA.exe. So what I do is that I just right click on it and I go to send to, and I click on desktop, create shortcut. So I just created a shortcut of this exe file on the desktop. So now on the desktop I'm going to open that EULA file. So right here I'm going to double click on it and I'm going to click on accept, and I'm going to open the PDF file. Now you'll notice that it will be opened, and it should give you the Acrobat Reader instructions. Click on Start Tour, just quickly, and click on this X, and it should be fixed. So every time now when this problem happens, I will just double click on this EULA file and I'll click on I accept. That's it, and this is the portfolio that I have. Alright, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So if you have any other questions, please let me know, and if you have any other ways of solving this problem, please share them with us.